Well, one firm that also took part in Endeavor Week making headlines is Argentina-based fintech Pomelo. The startup raised $55 million in a Series C funding round last week, and its chief executive told Ashley more about the work that it's doing. Let's take a look.
So we are a payments infrastructure company for Latin America, and we are basically modernizing the payment stack in the region. The entire financial system in the region has been built on top of local and legacy systems, and we are now for the first time building something truly modern and regional, allowing companies to launch cards businesses and more real-time payments and stablecoin-based businesses.
All right, and what is your footprint in Latin America, and how did you grow in that region?
So today we're present in 8 markets, the 8 largest markets in Latin America. We took a rather unconventional approach to company building. Typically, companies launch in one market, and as they get product market fit, they expand to other markets. We went straight to 6 markets and then expanded to 2 more, making it 8. And that's because our thesis has always been truly regional. Ultimately, we help companies expand payments businesses through Latin America, or help global companies, execute Latin America as part of a global footprint. So that's why it's always been very, very important for us to have that sort of regional footprint, and that's what led us to 8 markets in a very short period of time.
All right, and what fintech products are gaining the most traction in the regions that you serve?
So today I would say 2 things. We are seeing more traditional banks going faster and faster through that sort of digital transformation process. So modernizing the stack and launching new, better sort of card-related and payments products throughout the region. And then we're seeing fintechs innovate by launching new and modern use cases. Today we're seeing lots of things around stablecoin banking, remittances, corporate cards. So it's a very, very dynamic ecosystem now, with banks modernizing and fintechs going very fast to new modern use cases.
All right, and what do you think will shape the future of financial infrastructure in Latin America?
So I think, unlike the US or unlike in Europe, that have always been very card-centric, what we're seeing now in Latin America is like a multi-rail payments ecosystem. What that means is that we have cards that have been always very, very important and relevant for the region, but we're also seeing real-time payments like Pix in Brazil emerge and gain a lot of traction, and most recently stablecoins as a rail themselves. So LATAM has this rare ecosystem that has like 3 very clear digital rails, and I think that's where the financial system of the future will be built on top of.
Why did you become an Endeavor entrepreneur, and what support have they provided for you?
Endeavor has been an amazing partner. Endeavor was actually born more than 25 years ago in Argentina and Chile. So for us as Latin American entrepreneurs, it's always been very, very aspirational to be part of the Endeavor network. We were very, very fortunate to join the network in 2022, and they have been great partners. We have been working with them throughout the region, but also globally. I think it's an incredible organization, second to none, and one that it's truly aspirational for any entrepreneur, especially in emerging markets.
All right, thanks again to the CEO for that interview, along with our Ashley Mastronardi.